In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email on Facebook Messenger. We'll keep this simple and clear. Because Facebook and Messenger share the same account through Meta's Account Center, you don't change your email in Messenger directly. You update it on Facebook, and Messenger will automatically use the new email. Here's how to do it smoothly. First, open your preferred web browser and log into Facebook. Using a browser is the most reliable way to see all the settings in one place. Once you're in, look to the top right and click your profile picture. From the menu that appears, choose Settings and Privacy, and then click Settings. This takes you into your main account settings. Inside Settings, look for Account Center. This is Meta's hub that manages login details and identity across Facebook and Messenger. Click to open it. If you don't spot it immediately, it may be on the left panel or near the bottom of the settings list. Just scroll until you see Account Center. In Account Center, select Personal Details. This is where your name, birthday, and contact methods live. Next, open Contact Info. Here, you can add a new email address or edit an existing one. Before you proceed, make sure you can access the inbox for the email you plan to use, because you'll need to verify it. Choose Add New Email or select an email to edit, then type in the address carefully to avoid typos. Facebook will send a verification message to that email. Head to your inbox, open the message, and follow the instructions. Usually that means entering a code back on Facebook or clicking a verification link. If you don't see the email right away, give it a minute, refresh your inbox, and check your spam or junk folder. You can also request a new code if needed. After you've verified the email, your Facebook account is updated. Since Messenger and Facebook share the same account, Messenger will automatically use your new email. There's nothing else you need to do in the Messenger app. Changes usually sync quickly. If it doesn't show right away, wait a moment and refresh Messenger. That's it. You logged in on a browser, went to Settings and Privacy, opened Settings, then Account Center, navigated to Personal Details and Contact Info, added or edited your email, and verified it. With that done, your Messenger account now reflects your updated email. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, feel free to share it with someone who needs a quick walkthrough.